Let's take a look at the vertical adjustment of the waveform on the oscilloscope today. First, select the channel you want to adjust. To choose the channel you want to adjust, press F1 or F2 repeatedly. Channel 1 is represented by yellow and channel 2 by blue. Function F1 adjusts the timing for voltage. Adjust the vertical voltage data represented by one grid in the image by pressing the up and down keys. I am currently inputting a square wave with a peak-to-peak value of 10 volts. At this position, 2.5 volts represent one grid in the vertical direction. The waveform occupying exactly 4 grids vertically indicates that the peak-to-peak voltage of the waveform is approximately 10 volts. Press the up key. One grid represents 5 volts. Here, the 2 grids representing 10 volts. Pressing F2 and then using the up and down keys allows you to adjust the vertical position of the waveform on the coordinate axis. Now, let's take a look at some other settings that can affect vertical data. Press the menu key. F1 selects the channel you want to open or close, and F2 toggles the state. Let's now look at coupling mode F3. Coupling mode refers to the way external signals enter the circuit through the input ports. DC coupling displays all components of the original input signal, including both AC and DC components. AC coupling, on the other hand, only displays the AC components of the signal. This is commonly used, for example, when testing power supply ripples. Next, let's look at probe attenuation. Before using the oscilloscope, you should check this setting. Ensure that the attenuation factor on the probe matches the attenuation settings in the oscilloscope. This ensures accurate measurement results. For example, the peak-to-peak value of the input signal I have now is around 10 volts. When my probe is set to times 10, you can see the peak-to-peak value has become around 1 volt. Then press the Auto button. This ensures that the measured results are accurate. You can refer to this table to determine when to use times 10 by 10 and when to use times 1 by 1. Press the right key. There's a trigger edge option. Pressing F2 will reverse the waveform.